Why is it important to follow OE repair procedures? We're going to find out next. Vehicles have gotten so sophisticated today that it's more crucial than ever to follow OE procedures when repairing a vehicle. From exotic substrates to advanced driver assistance systems, these are not the same vehicles your father worked on. One of the most dangerous statements to make today is, "We've always done it this way." Vehicle manufacturers put a great deal of engineering into building vehicles. Safety is always a priority, as is minimizing noise, vibration, and harshness. By not following OE repair recommendations, you could be effectively re-engineering the vehicle and compromising safety and performance. Not researching the OE repair procedures can result in tremendous liability for you, your employees, and your employees' families. As a repair facility, you're considered the experts on vehicle repairs and must research and train your technicians to do the job correctly. You have a responsibility to learn new procedures and techniques as well as have the proper equipment to do the job correctly. Keeping up with change is a daunting task because few of us have the time to research what procedures should be used. But that's no excuse. Where can you find OE repair information? There are many sources, including OEMOneStop.com, iCar, AllData, CCC, Mitchell, Autotex, and more. The changes going on in the collision repair industry clash with the way repairs used to be done. It's hard for technicians to grasp what procedures have changed and why. Without knowing why, you may question the process and ignore the proper repair, something no technician can afford to do. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.